Hello, 6th grade. Again, updating this schedule. Today is Friday, so we are working with dividing fractions and whole numbers and fractions. If you have not finished any of these other review assignments on Edpuzzle or the worksheet, please make sure you are getting those done. Monday, we will be live and work with dividing mixed numbers review. Tuesday, we will have that live review in class when we are back in the building, and then Wednesday will be everybody's retake day. So, when we divide whole numbers and fractions, or when we divide with anything that involves a fraction, we had a 3-step process. What was the first step? The first step was keep. That meant keep the first fraction the same. What was the second step? Change. That means change the division to multiplication. And what was the last step? Flip. That means change the numerator and the denominator around in the second fraction. So, when I start this problem, the first thing I need to do is turn 72 into a fraction, and you get 72 over 1. So I'm at 72 over 1 divided by 8 over 9. So I'm going to keep the 72 over 1 the same, change the division to multiplication, and then what do I get when I flip the fraction over? The correct answer is 9 over 8. Then I look, can I cross reduce 72 and 8? Yes, I can. I can divide both by 8. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Then, can I reduce 9 and 1? No, I cannot. So now I multiply. What is 9 times 9? 81. What is 1 times 1? 1. When I reduce, I get a final answer of 81. So 72 divided by 8/9 is 81. For our next example, we have 10/18 divided by 24 over 1. So first, I need to turn the 24 into a fraction. So what is 24 as a fraction? 24 over 1. Then I need to keep the first fraction, so 10 over 18 stays the same. Change the division to multiplication, and what do I get when I flip the second fraction? 1 over 24. Can 10 and 24 be cross-reduced? Yes, they can both be divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Then I need to check, can 1 and 18 be cross-reduced? No, they cannot. So when I multiply then, I have my numerator, which is 5 times 1, which is 5. In the denominator, I have 18 times 12, which is 216. So my final answer is 5 over 216. Now we're dealing with both fractions. Again, the process stays the same. So we're going to keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and what do I get when I flip the second fraction? 14 over 5. Can I cross-reduce 36 and 5? No, I cannot. Can I cross-reduce 49 and 14? Yes, I can. Divide both by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then I need to go ahead and multiply. So up top, 36 times 2 is 72. In the denominator, 7 times 5 is 35. Now, since we have an improper fraction, I need to convert to a mixed number. So 35 goes into 72 how many times? twice. So then I need to do, what is my denominator? 35. So then I have 35 times 2, which is 70. What is the remainder to get from 70 to 72? The correct answer is 2, and that is my numerator. So my final answer is 2 and 2/35. For my last example, I have 14 over 33 divided by 14 over 55. So I'm going to keep the first fraction, change the division to multiplication, and what do I get when I flip the second fraction? 55 over 14. Can 14 and 14 be reduced? Yes, they can. Both can be divided by 14, so both turn into 1. Can 33 and 55 be reduced? Yes, both can be divided by 11. 33 divided by 11 is 3. 55 divided by 11 is 5. Then when I multiply, what do I get for the fraction? 5 over 3. Now I need to simplify to a mixed number. How many 3's go into 5? 1. What is your denominator? 3. Then I have 3 times 1 is 3. And what's left over to get from 3 to 5? 2. So your final answer is 1 and 2/3. If you have questions about this or anything else from the review, please feel free to reach out and let me know.